Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook profile link. Without further ado, let's get started. So we can't actually do this within the Facebook app, so we need to do it in a certain browser. So I'm just going to open up my Safari right here, or if you have Google Chrome, just open that, any preferred browser you have. And once you open it, just type in facebook.com. and log into your account that you want to change the profile link to. So from here, as you can see, it is still in the mobile website version of Facebook. So to convert it to a desktop website, just click on this little AA icon at the top left corner and click on Request Desktop Website. So as you can see, the desktop website is not fully loaded. So what we can do is to click on this URL right here at the top and edit it and remove this little M dot so that it will only say facebook.com like that, and just click go on your keyboard, and then it should turn into a desktop version of Facebook. So once you see it like this, just click on your profile icon at the top right part of the website, click on settings and privacy, click on settings, and let's wait for it to load, and you should be at the general tab. Make sure that you have selected this one. So once you're here, just zoom out by pinching out a bit and just swipe to the left so you can see the edit option in line with this username option right here. So just find that, swipe to the left, zoom out a bit, or we can also rotate our phone by swiping down at the control center and clicking on this icon right here, and then we can turn our phone sideways and we should be able to see the edit option right here. So just click on edit right here, right beside your current profile link like that, and you should be able to see your current username, and then you'll be able to change it as well. So I'm just going to change it to like that, and this should change your Facebook profile link as well. So as you can see, username is available. That will also be a factor in changing your profile link. So once it is unique, just click on save changes once you have decided that, and that should also be your new profile link right here. So like that, this is my new profile link. So that is how you can basically change Facebook profile link. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.